This is the card I'll be showing you how to make today. I'm using the Color Contour stamp set, but I'll be showing you how I got the flower colored in on an actual colored piece of cardstock. So to get started, you're going to take a 3 by 4 inch piece of the soft succulent cardstock, and we're going to take the Evening Evergreen ink here, and we're going to take the leaf stamp here, and you'll just kind of ink up and kind of make a spray of leaves down through the bottom. And then I'm going to take this stem, this flower thing, and I'm going to ink up the bottom half part to get the long stem to actually put the flower on it. So we'll just ink that up and stamp that like so. So now you have a stem there, and then we're going to take the actual flower here, ink that up, and then we'll put that right there, like so, just like that. Next, I'm going to take the Crush Curry pencil, watercolor pencil here, out of the watercolor pencils, and you will just color in on top of the soft succulent cardstock, and it actually comes out a nice vibrant yellow color here. Okay, so once you finish that, I took some Wink of Stella and just went right over where I colored in the Crush Curry watercolor pencil, just to add a little extra shimmer to the yellow flower here, like that. And then after you finish that, take the Crush Curry ink, and then I'm going to take this splatter stamp here, and you can ink it up and kind of stamp off, and then I've kind of stamped sporadically all over a little bit, just to kind of help give an extra little texture element there. Then the next thing is you'll grab a 3 1/8 by 4 1/8 inch piece of Crush Curry cardstock, and we're actually going to glue our soft succulent piece down onto the Crush Curry one, like so. And then I've taken this gingham ribbon here, and we'll just tie it onto the bottom into a knot here. And then you can take your scissors and just trim the edges off. There we go. And I'm going to slide it down and a little bit to the right hand side, like that. So set this aside. You're going to take a 5 1/2 by 8 1/2 inch sheet of the soft succulent cardstock and fold that in half here. And then I took the Ornate Floral 3D embossing folder, and that's what I used to texture and emboss the back of the base piece here. So stick that in there like so, and then you'll want to grab your platform here for your die cutting machine. So you want to grab your base #1 platform, and you will place your 3D embossing folder here, and then use the gray plate #4 for that's specifically used for the 3D embossing folders, and you'll run that through your die cutting machine. And when you finish, you should end up with something that looks like this. So next you can just grab some dimensionals and pop that on the back of your card. Take those off and adhere that to the front of your card here. And then I took a, let's see here, 3/8 inch sheet of the soft succulent and stamp the Here For You Now stamp in the Evening Evergreen ink here. And I just kind of gave it a little bend, a little wave there. And then you can add a little bit of glue and add that right at the top of your card, like so, and hold it for a second. There you have it, a really simple, easy way, a cool way to add some color to a colored cardstock using the watercolored pencils, and it's kind of just a really cool technique. So anyways, there's your finished product. Hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching.